Hey guys, this is Anthony from Talley Construction, where we make construction easy. Not always easy. What I mean by that is, as of late, it's 2025. There's a lot of projects that are either stalled and or canceled, and that's unfortunate. And that has a lot to do with the economy. That has a lot to do with consumer confidence. When consumer confidence is down, sales are down. So we don't let anything stop us. We're people of faith. We're a company of faith, and we do great work. So we're going to keep it moving. Today, we want to talk to you a little bit about a door that we have just installed. We just installed this door for one of our recurring customers. They are the gift that keeps on giving. We've done some major projects in this home, and the door is just one more of those major projects. They also refer us to countless folks, as they know a ton of people. But before we get into the video, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. New subscriptions often lead to new viewership, and new viewership often leads to new projects. And as I originally said, that's why we're here. Now, this door really changed the look of this whole home. The original door was a door from a builder probably 20 years ago, and it was a builder's grade door. So it really didn't say much or do much for the front of the home. With this door, it really speaks and it really focuses the attention on that entry. As soon as you come in, pop, you see that door. It's like, man, this thing is serious. Actually, it kind of sets the homeowner up for your house better be as nice as this door is, because this door is really, really, really impressive. So again, this door here would have been a custom door. However, as we measured the door and we were looking through to one of our suppliers that we use all the time, we actually found a door that someone ordered, but they couldn't make work. We identified the door. The homeowner went to take a look at it, fell in love with the door, and the rest is history. We had to do a lot to retro the door, to make it fit, to make it work. We had to cut the frame, we had to cut the wood, we had to cut some concrete, but we often have to do that. It's not easy, but if it was easy, everyone would be doing it. Okay? So, just briefly, a little bit more about the door. We do a wide range of doors where, the door is the soul or the eye of the house. It's the first thing you see when you come to somebody's house. So, even when we're doing our regular flip houses or houses for other clients, we try to make sure that, people put a little bit of effort into the door because it's what you see. It's the first thing you see. It's the first thing it's the last thing you see when you go out the door. So it just kind of leaves that good and warm feeling. Okay? Our guys are really masters at doing what needs to be done to make something happen. And in this day and age, that's really, really difficult. As I spoke about in a previous video, manpower now is very hard. Working is very hard. We've lost so many folks that are just, fall off and say we're not going to, they don't want to work anymore from the pandemic, from current policies and things that are going on, so it makes things difficult. Sometimes we're out there ourselves having to get stuff done, but it's what we do. This is Talley Construction. We're going to make it happen. We're a company of faith, and we know things are going to get better. In fact, with the new interest rate drop, we feel like it's only going to be a matter of time before the housing market picks back up again, and we get more construction. We get that consumer confidence higher. So, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Give us likes, comments. Tell us what you would do. Tell us what you would do with the content. We have so much content, and we've been so busy with other work, new construction, renovations, and we really haven't been putting out a lot of content. We're going to try to pick it up again, and get our content out there, because it helps us when we get the content out and people see exactly what we do and how we do. So that just takes us to the end where we talk about our 3Ps. And our 3Ps are people, process, and product. We always try to have the best possible people employed, even if they're subcontractors. We have a great process, and if we adhere to the process, we always put out a good product. So stay tuned for more projects coming up. Again, we have a lot more content going to hit the screen, and we appreciate you guys liking, loving, and following. Okay, once again, Anthony from AE Talley Construction signing out on this South Jersey door. Take care. Peace.